Welcome to your new Verge IP phone from Allworx. Sit back and let's learn about the Allworx Message Center for listening to and managing your voicemail messages. The Verge IP phone series includes the following phone models: the 9304 with 4 programmable buttons, the 9308 with 8 programmable buttons, and the 9312 with 12 programmable buttons. Additionally, the Verge 9312 phone supports up to 3 additional 9318 EX expanders. Each of the expanders supports up to 18 additional programmable buttons for a total of 66 programmable buttons. This training video uses the 9312 for demonstration purposes, but all phones and expanders support the Allworx Message Center in the same way. The Allworx Message Center provides unified messaging for Allworx users. When a new voicemail message is available, the Allworx Phone Messages function button lights and the number of new messages display on the Verge IP phone screen. You can access either the Visual Message Center or the Audio Message Center. Both the Visual and the Audio Message Center enable you to listen to new or saved voicemails, create and send a voicemail message to another Allworx user, forward a voicemail message, reply to a voicemail message from an Allworx contact, clear all the voicemail listings, and clear a single voicemail listing. And each message center has additional capabilities. As you can see, in the Visual Message Center, you can change the message listing appearance from read to unread or vice versa. And in the Audio Message Center, you can change your name recording, manage your message greetings for each present setting, your default greeting, and your ReachLink lost connection greeting, change your Allworx PIN, access an outside line if enabled, and change your present setting. In the Audio Message Center, Allworx users with Recording Manager permissions can create, change, or delete the call queue or ACD queue recordings, as well as change the schedule for call queues or ACD queues. To access the Allworx Message Center, press the Voicemail function button once for the Visual Message Center or twice for the Audio Message Center. No matter which Allworx Message Center you choose to use, the Allworx system requires you to enter your Allworx PIN before you have access to your messages. When using the Visual Message Center, the Verge phone displays a list of voicemail messages and draft messages for the extension and uses navigation keys for scrolling and soft keys for selecting the voicemail message management options. Unread messages display in blue text, and read messages display in black text. When using the Audio Message Center, the Verge phone screen does not change because you use audio menus and keypad presses to manage the voicemail messages and settings. The Audio Message Center adds increased access flexibility when you are unable to be at your desk phone but need to check your voicemail messages. To access the Audio Message Center from another Allworx phone or the company auto attendant, by dialing 6 and your extension. From an outside line or a phone not assigned to a user, by dialing 404. The Allworx system prompts you for your extension. From an outside line, dialing directly to your office, and then, while the greeting is playing, dial *61 and your extension before the greeting finishes playing. After entering your Allworx PIN number, the Allworx system announces the number of new and saved voicemail messages as well as the current present setting using the default language on the Audio Message Center, regardless of the outside line or call appearance used to access the account. You can press the pound key twice to play the prompts in a language other than English when prompted. While playing a voicemail message in the Audio Message Center, you can use the Verge phone navigation buttons to move through the voicemail message. Press the Select button to play or pause the message, left navigation button to skip back in the message. You can also press and hold this button to return to the beginning of the message. Right navigation button to skip forward in the message. Up navigation button to go to the previous message, or the down navigation button to go to the next message. Finally, the Allworx system supports unified messaging, which supports combining your voicemail and email messages into one inbox, forwarding voicemail messages to another email account or POP to an email client, deleting a voicemail message. If you delete the voicemail message using the email account or the phone, the voicemail message is removed from the Allworx server and is no longer available. Contact your Allworx server administrator to configure the Allworx system to set up your email account for unified messaging. Thanks for taking the time to learn about the Allworx Message Center for listening to and managing voicemails. For more information about using any of the phone features, check out our other Verge videos or download the Allworx Verge IP Phone User Guide, available at www.allworx.com.